Rebonjour. On va parler maintenant des pronoms. OK, les pronoms. C'est très important que vous avez mémorisé les pronoms pour bien comprendre le français et le vocabulaire et le concept dans ce chapitre. Okay, so it's really important that we go back and we memorize the different subject pronouns because it's really important to understand what's happening just in general in French and also the concepts in this chapter to move forward. And I am confident that pretty much everyone knows je and tu, and il and elle are kind of familiar. And you're like, oh yeah, oh yeah. That's usually the case with French one, like the singular, and even into French too. The singular side, you've got it. And then the plural, it's like, ooh, I can't remember. So we're going to go over those today, and it won't be the last time. It won't be the last time. Okay. So voilà, la grammaire, les pronoms. Okay. So I always divide it up this way when I organize the pronouns and when I organize my verbs. I did not invent this. Some teachers do it this way. Some language teachers just put them all in one big long list. But this is the way I prefer it. So this is the way I'm going to teach you. So on the left side, côté gauche, we have singulier. So je, tu, il, and elle. Now you can see next to il and elle, I have he slash it masculine, and then next to elle, she slash it feminine. So we started getting into this a little bit at the end of trimester one, just talking about how in French everything has gender, be it a person to a book to a car to a pencil. And so when you memorize vocabulary, you have to memorize if it's masculine or feminine. For our purposes, this chapter, we're just talking about people and describing what they do. So, il or elle, however they identify, that's what we're going to use. But going forward, just keep that in mind. That's another, grammar piece that makes French kind of fun and a bit different from English. And then on the right side, we have le pluriel. Okay. And so I put it across from the, corresponding singular, so to speak. So pluriel, we have nous for we, because je is a part of nous. Okay, so if you put them across from each other, that kind of helps you memorize them. In my opinion, as a former non-native speaker of French, pluriel, vous. Okay, the you formal also means y'all. Okay, you as a group. Okay, so tu informal, vous formal. Tu means you, vous means you, but speaking to a stranger or showing more respect. Across from il, we have il. Okay, they're spelled exactly, well, they're spelled differently, but they're pronounced exactly the same. So il with an S is plural, and just like elle with an S is plural for they, okay? So il would be a group of guys, or a group of guys with one girl, or a group of girls with one guy. Sorry, okay, sexist. Elle would be a group of girls, okay? As soon as there's one guy in the mix, it's considered masculine, il, okay? So these have to be memorized, okay? So memoriser, and I have put a Quizlet into Canvas to help you memorize these, all right? Okay, next we're going to go on to combining the verbs that we've memorized with these subject pronouns. All right, on y va, let's go. Oh, one last thing. This is a video from the book, okay, and I've also put this into Canvas, just another resource for you, all right, to help you memorize the pronouns and maybe hear a little bit different pronunciation. Okay, it's only like a minute and a half long. All right, I think that's all I've got for the pronouns.